Hello everyone, myself Dr. TV Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Now in the series of Java programming, now we are at the position of collection framework. That means all the basic concepts of Java are completed. Now collection framework. First of all, what is mean by framework? In that, what is the collection framework? The simple definition means framework means the structure that is readily available. Just you are using. One thing is already constructed. Just you are using for your application development. That is called a framework. In that, collection is also one framework. Anyway, the general name. What is the general meaning of collection? Collection means some group of items. Coming to technically, that is in Java. What is the collection? Collection is a framework. It can store multiple number of objects. That is, it can hold a group of objects. And one important thing, remember, collection does not hold primitive data types. A framework holds objects only. Suppose if you want to place a value 10, an integer value 10, directly it is not possible in collection. Your thing is, you need to convert the integer 10 into object 10 by using the concept of wrapper classes. After the conversion only you need to pass. Anyway, we will discuss. Now, in the collection, we will perform all the operations, generally CRUD operations, whatever the operations, searching, sorting, insertion, deletion, manipulation, updation, whatever the operation, you can do all the operations. That is the basic definition of collection. Now, coming to Java, this collection is represented in the form of collection in angular bracket E. What is the E? In generic types, we have E specify element means collection can store any type of elements. Generally, this collection is an interface. You know the difference between class and interface. Generally, interface have abstract methods. Like that, collection also consists of some set of abstract methods. Now, everything is available in one package. From which package the collection is produced? Util package. Now the first thing is you need to remember util package. That util package consists of one interface collection. What is the syntax? See this one? Java collection framework. I expand each and one. Java means library. See, java.util dot some scanner. Java.util dot collection. So, scanner is a class available inside the util package. That util package is available inside the library Java. So, Java library. Anyway, the collection is an interface. E specify generic. Framework means you know the definition. The structure is constructed already and available to use. Now, how the collection interface is extended and how those extended interfaces are implemented. What is the entire hierarchy? This is the entire hierarchy. We will discuss one by one. The first one, collection interface. This collection interface is available in util package. This is the root interface for all the interfaces. Okay. Now, here this arrow mark specifies. Solid arrow mark specify extend, dashed arrow mark specify implements. Sir, you said that collection is the root interface, but this collection is also extended from one interface, iterable. Where this interface is available? This interface is available in lang package. That is the reason. Even though you are not writing the statement import java.lang.star. Why? Lang package is the default package. Even though you are not writing, automatically all the methods of iterable interface are available to the collection. One of the most important methods of iterable interface is iterator. Anyway, we will discuss later. Now coming to collection. This collection interface is extended by three interfaces. Remember, one interface is extended by three interfaces. So, the three interfaces are set is one interface. I will move in order. List is another interface. Queue is another interface. These are the names of three interfaces. Here observe in the diagram, everything starts with uppercase letter. Whether the class name or interface name starts with uppercase letter. Set is an interface. Now what happened? Whatever the methods available inside the collection, all the methods are available to the set interface. Why? Because of extends property, because of inheritance. Now set have their own methods also. Yes or no? Simply this is the parent interface, set is the child interface. The set has their own methods also. Now, once an interface is available, without class there is no use. Simply we need some classes, that classes implement the set interface. Now, I have mainly three classes that implements the set interface. What are the three classes? First one, hash set. This class implements the methods of set interface. Linked hash set. This class implements the methods of set interface. Tree set. Anyway, set have one child class, sorted set. Tree set implements sorted set. Internally, tree set implements set also. Now finally, the set interface is implemented by three classes. What are the classes? Hash set to linked hash set, tree set. What is the difference? Why you are using three different types of classes? That means you need to know the difference among these three. First of all, basic definition I will give here. Each and everything we will discuss in the next session. Suppose set to, list to, queue, one by one, session by session. Now, first of all, basic difference. Hash set. What is the set? It organizes the elements without any index. Set means there is no concept of indexing. And at the same time, set does not allow any duplicate values. Such type of set is implemented by hash set. That means, if you are implementing with hash set, the elements are stored in any order. Sir, first I insert 1, next 2, next 3. By executing, what is the output? 1, 2, 3? No. It can change the order. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. The order changed continuously. Hash set means simply the order is changed. If you are implementing by using linked hash set, it follows the insertion order. What is mean by insertion order? In which order we are inserting the elements into the set. Output is also displayed in the same order. Output in the sense, in which order we are inserting, they are also stored in the same order. Suppose first I insert 2, next 1, next 3. They are also stored as 2, followed by 1, followed by 3. Clear? Now, tree set. Tree set means the elements are arranged in sorted order. Whatever the order you follow for inserting, but the output is displayed in the sorted order. This is the difference among these three. But all the three classes are used to implement the methods of the set interface. Clear? Now, coming to list. Already set is available. Why we are moving to list? One thing. Set does not consist of duplicates. Set does not consist of index. To overcome such problem, suppose I want to store duplicate elements. For example, I want to store age of a class. 60 students are there. I need to store ages of all the 60 students. Each one is a preferable. Set is preferable? 100% not. Why? In 60 students, approximately 40 students same age. All are age 20. Assume all are age 20. If you are using set, only 120 is stored. That is not recognizable. That is the reason. If you want to store indexing, if you want to use duplicates, move to list. Exactly, list also consists of some methods. The list methods are implemented by three things. First one is array list. You know, the array. static memory allocation. That is, initially only you need to allocate the memory. In future, if you want to change, it is not possible to change. And to overcome such a problem, we are using linked list. Dynamically, we can add, delete. Anyway, each one have advantages and disadvantages. Once we are moving to the list, we will discuss with examples. No problem. Next class is vector. These are the three classes. So, array list, linked list, vector. Three classes that implements the list. Each one have their own advantages, disadvantages. Suppose in case of customer login, we are using array admin login and connection pooling. What is the difference? Once we go on to this array, we will discuss. And one more thing is there, the most popular data structure, stack. Remember, stack is a child class of vector. That is, all the methods of the vectors are extended along with the stack have their own method. Clear? Now, finally, the queue interface. The queue interface is implemented by priority queue. What is a priority queue? Each and every element is associated with some priority. Suppose insertion or deletion. If you are doing insertion in the normal way, deletion is based on the priority. What is the priority here? So, priority in the sense, assume in my tree the maximum element as the highest priority or minimum element as the highest priority. According to our requirements, we will move. Anyway, that queue is implemented by using priority queue, and queue is extended by DQ. DQ is an interface extended by DQ. What is the DQ? Double-ended queue. Generally, normal queue insertion is performed at one side, that is the right side. Deletion is performed at one side. But in double-ended queue, insertion and deletions are performed from both ends. D, E, double-ended. So, operations are performed on both sides. This DQ is implemented by a class array DQ. This is the entire hierarchy of collection. Now, session by session, what are our topics? First, we are moving to set interface, followed by list interface, followed by stack and queue. That means the priority queue, array DQ, and then iterator. It's one method under iterable. One more method, the popular method, enumeration, is also available. Enumeration is especially used for vector. We will discuss all these things one by one in the later sessions. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.